Sometimes a single rainstorm or a wave can become a masterpiece. The Earth always knows how to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Join us as we witness that wonder together. At Montauk Point, waves as high as 13 feet fueled by Storm Erin turned the beach into a daring stage for surfers. On August 21st, chaos broke out along the Maryland coast as Tropical Storm Erin rolled through, sending beach gear flying and in need of rescue from the waves. Moments like these remind us that man-made structures are fragile in the face of nature's fury.
¡Cayó la carretera!
On December 23rd, Capitola's coast roared with massive waves as a thunderstorm rolled in, smashing part of Santa Cruz Pier into pieces. Can you imagine cars and houses being swallowed by sea foam like this?
Whoa!
Tropical Storm Helene triggered a mudslide that buried a portion of the Blue Ridge Parkway. The couple's car was damaged, but thankfully both were safe. The video shows the terrifying power of the ocean. Currumbin Beach disappears under rising water and even heavy containers are swept away. Hideki Abe captured the chaos police, directing traffic and pedestrians away while massive white foam swirled through the air. The dramatic scene in San Diego wasn't just mesmerizing, it was a reminder of the unpredictable power of the sea. The Cork pilot boat braved monstrous waves as Storm Ophelia churned the sea into chaos. Have you ever had your food stolen like this during a beach trip? Near London, Kentucky, golden light from the sunset turned a rainstorm into a shimmering curtain of light across the fields. Don't forget to like and follow to catch more breathtaking sunrise scenes. Bioluminescent waves in Oceanside turned an ordinary surfing session into a glowing magical experience. In Bournemouth, part of a cliff suddenly collapsed, dragging a wooden hut forward and forcing a man walking his dog to run for his life in an instant. Waves crashing into a rock pool created not only stunning visuals, but also made it a symbol of nature and life blending together. Isn't that moment absolutely adorable? A perfect blend of nature and culture. Would you say this moment is both beautiful and meaningful? The aurora in Luosto is more than rare, it's a stunning reminder that our Earth holds magical secrets. The mile marker 39 fire not only threatened local habitats, but served as a wake-up call about the fragile Everglades ecosystem. This is one of the dream destinations for photographers around the world. If it were you, would you snap photos or just stand there and take it in? A grizzly bear emerged from deep snow after a long hibernation, marking the official start of spring. An uninvited guest broke onto a cabin deck, flipped open the hot tub lid, and soaked in the steamy water like it was a luxury spa. On December 20th, Sanibel Captiva Road turned into a river as waves surged inland due to atmospheric pressure changes. A time-lapse captured the whole transition from looming dark clouds to a sky blanketed in white, showing how fast nature can change. In Hawaii, Kilauea erupted, shooting lava 500 feet into the air, turning the morning sky into a sea of fire. From floating bubble rings, the Tonga Ocean suddenly transformed into a magical underwater circus. In Port Phillip Bay, a tiny lobster larva hitched a ride on a lion's mane jellyfish, perhaps the strangest taxi in the sea.
Oh, she's huge! Ooh!
That's so cool.
If I was in that car, I would run out and pet them.
Yes!
Look at them!
Oh, he just pooped.
Oh, that's...
A mother bear foraged through bushes while her cubs toddled around. A vivid portrait of wildlife in the heart of Gatlinburg.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're gonna eat the berries.
I've seen one live in my life. Neither have I. I've never seen a bear in its real habitat. Oh, I have to tell Dad.
The flood in Kerrville wasn't just a terrifying memory, it was a warning about climate change and extreme weather events.
Everyone downstream.
Homes along the North Carolina coast swayed under pounding waves and roads became temporary rivers.
Yes, it is getting bigger. Wow. Did you hear it? Rumbling?
These moments are both breathtaking and sobering reminders of how powerful storms can be. Don't forget to like and follow for more raw footage of nature's force. The Missouri sky lit up as thousands of snow geese took flight over the Loess Bluffs Wildlife Refuge. Would you like to witness such a majestic migration in person? Each year, adult red crabs stay by the coast for a week before heading back to the forest. Then a few weeks later, their young follow the exact same path. Istanbul shook from a 6.2 magnitude earthquake with alarms blaring and people pouring into the streets in panic. A massive supercell storm hovered over Gage, Oklahoma, streaked with lightning, an ominous sign of the fury to come. Tiny hailstones may look harmless, but they're strong enough to damage roofs, vehicles, and seriously endanger pedestrians. These scenes remind us that nature can reshape our lives in mere seconds. In Mauritius Inlet, over 100 seals were sunbathing peacefully until a boat passed by and they scrambled back into the water all at once. Would you call that scene adorable or chaotic?
Bugs live in air vents.
I can't help but wonder, where did their shells go?
Ooh.
Manta rays, giant gentle creatures of the ocean, usually stay in warm waters and rarely come this close to humans. Cloud streets parallel streaks of clouds stretched across the sky like white roads painted above the earth. This phenomenon often occurs when ice-covered lakes break up under strong winds. Do you find it stunning or a little frightening?